Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Introduction to the best infrared thermometer for cooking is both an art and a science, where precision and accuracy play crucial roles in creating delectable dishes. One of the most essential tools for achieving this precision is an infrared thermometer. Infrared thermometers have revolutionized the way we monitor temperatures in the kitchen, offering swift and non-contact temperature readings that are ideal for a variety of culinary applications. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook striving for culinary perfection, having the best infrared thermometer for cooking in your kitchen arsenal can make a significant difference. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Fluke 568 Dual. The Fluke 568 Dual Infrared Thermometer is a versatile and high-quality device that combines the advantages of both infrared and contact thermometers. It offers a broad temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for various applications. The infrared component features a 50:1 distance-to-spot ratio, allowing for measurements from a distance, and it can be adjusted for emissivity. The thermometer is designed for rugged industrial use and includes useful functions like min, max, average, and diff. It also provides audible and visual alarms to alert users to measurements beyond set limits. On number 4, Klein Tools IR5. The Klein Tools IR5 Dual Laser 12:1 Infrared Thermometer is a versatile temperature measurement device designed for various applications. It features dual laser sights to guide measurement, a 12:1 optical resolution, distance to light spot, and functions like max per minute/average/diff, high/low backlight alarm, and auto power off. This thermometer has a wide temperature measuring range from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, -30 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, and is powered by a 9-volt battery, offering an estimated 10 hours of continuous use with the laser and backlight on. It provides drop protection up to 2 meters, 6.6 feet, and has an adjustable emissivity. On number 3, Inkbird Plus Infrared. The Inkbird Plus Infrared Thermometer cooking temperature gun has received high ratings and positive reviews for its accuracy, 9.8, excellent battery life and type, 9.9, strong build quality, 9.5, responsive customer support, 9.7, well thought out design, 9.6, easy to read display, 9.9, and user-friendly operation, 10. Its overall performance is rated at 9.6, indicating its effectiveness in temperature measurement. Additionally, it offers value for money, 9.7. This thermometer offers various advantages, such as an auto screen-off feature for power conservation, non-contact infrared technology to prevent cross-infection. On number 2, Fluke 62 Max. The Fluke 62 Max infrared thermometer is a non-contact temperature measurement device designed for industrial use. It offers precise temperature measurement with a wide range from -22 to +932 degrees Fahrenheit. The product has received a favorable BVR rating of 9.2 based on 714 reviews. This infrared thermometer stands out for its accuracy, 8.8, build quality, 8.8, customer support, 8.9, and overall performance, 8.7. It features a 101 infrared distance-to-spot ratio, allowing for pinpoint measurement, and its small and lightweight design makes it easy to clip to a tool belt or belt loop. On number 1, Infrared Thermometer. The infrared thermometer SOV Arcate Digital, a digital IR laser thermometer temperature gun, is a well-received product with a BVR rating of 8.7 based on 211 reviews. This infrared thermometer is designed for temperature measurement and offers readings in Fahrenheit. It utilizes infrared technology for fast and accurate readings, featuring a large screen LCD display. The product excels in various aspects, including its build quality, 9.0, design, 9.0, ease of reading, 9.4, and ease of use, 9.0. Customers have found it to provide precise and reliable temperature measurements. In conclusion, the selection of the best infrared thermometer for cooking is a crucial decision that can greatly enhance your culinary experience. These versatile devices provide a swift and accurate way to measure surface temperatures, ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection and safe to consume. The right infrared thermometer can be a valuable tool for chefs, home cooks, and grilling enthusiasts alike. In this guide, we have explored various infrared thermometers with their unique features and capabilities. So guys, this was the video about the best infrared thermometer for cooking. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.